Today we are going to cook a super authentic, simple and fragrant braised glass noodle with prawns. กุ้งอบวุ้นเส้น The ingredients we need are 500 grams of fresh prawns, cut, deveined and washed. 150 grams of pork belly. This is optional. 350 grams of glass noodles. This is derived from 150 grams of dry glass noodle, soaked for 30 minutes. 4 cloves of garlic, crushed and lightly chopped. 30 grams of ginger strip. 1 teaspoon of salt. 2 stalks of parsley with the stem and leaf separated. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, half teaspoon of sesame oil, half tablespoon of cooking wine or Shaoxing wine. This is optional. 3/4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of crispy fried pork lard and 2 tablespoons of pork oil. I have uploaded the crispy pork lard and pork oil recipe. The link is in the description box. I like to start with marinating the prawns. In a clean mixing bowl, add the prawns. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt over the prawns. Marinate the prawns and put it aside. Next, marinate the pork belly. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt over the pork belly. Marinate it. Put it aside. Then prepare the glass noodles. After soaking, glass noodles have become soft. If it's too long, use a pair of scissors to cut it into half, like this. Try not to mix the glass noodle before cutting so that we can easily get the desired length. Put it aside. Next, mix all the seasoning together. In the bowl of water, add the remaining salt, coarse black pepper, Shaoxing wine, light soy sauce, sesame oil, oyster sauce, and thick soy sauce. Mix until combined, then set aside. Now we can cook the braised glass noodle with prawns. Heat the clay pot and wait for 1 minute or until the clay pot is slightly warm. Add the pork fat or substitute with cooking oil if pork fat is not available. Add in all garlic and all ginger. Stir fry for 2 minutes until soft and fragrant. The garlic and ginger do not need to be brown or crispy. Now add in all pork belly. Stir fry for 30 seconds. Add half of seasoning mix. Stir to coat the pork belly with seasoning mix. Cover the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid. Wow! It's boiling vigorously. There is a really nice fragrance. The pork belly is almost cooked. Now I am adding in the rest of the seasoning mix. Once seasoning mix is added, the heat from the clay pot will be slightly reduced. Give it a stir. Add in all the glass noodles. Use a pair of tongs to gently mix the glass noodle with the pork belly and the gravy until well combined. We want to make sure that there are no white glass noodle strands. At this stage, some glass noodle may have absorbed the gravy and become slightly softened as the heat from the clay pot is building up again. Give it another toss to give a chance for the glass noodles to absorb the gravy. Push the glass noodle to the side of the clay pot. We are going to cook the prawns now. Add in all the marinated prawns to the empty side of the pot. Give it a mix and try to cover all the prawns with glass noodle as much as possible. The heat from the clay pot and glass noodle will cook the prawns. Now top it with parsley. Add in all the parsley stems and most of the leaves. Keep just a bit for garnishing. Use the tongue to spread it all over the glass noodles. We want the parsley stems to cook together with the prawns and glass noodles. Cover the lid. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid. Wow, it smells so good! See, the parsley is also cooked. Glass noodle and prawns are already cooked and absorb all the seasoning. The gravy has also become dry and very tasty. We will give it a stir. Arrange some of the prawns to the top of the clay pot. This is because the bottom of the clay pot is very hot and we want to slow down the prawns cooking process. Also, it is good for the presentation and of course the camera. Sprinkle some parsley leaves and the crispy pork lard. Now we can dish out and serve. The whole pot is so fragrant and the glass noodles are cooked perfectly. Let's eat! Wow! Delicious! It is not too soft and very chewy. The prawns is very fresh, tasty and sweet. They go really well together. This is also best served with the Thai spicy seafood dip sauce. Alright, we have come to the end of the recipe. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this braised glass noodle with prawns or Kung Op Bun Sen recipe, please share it and subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.